In order to configure Microsoft Endpoint Management fully functional, I have tried the following testing. Under the management setting, so to visit for this testing page, you have to click on dashboard and then tenant administration. So under Microsoft Manage Desktop, click on tenant enrollment. You will get the testing page. Here I'm going to run management checks. It takes some time. Start check. To view the result, click on result. So here you will see its readiness status. It's not ready. To view details, click on view details. So first one is the license issue. So I have already readiness is not ready for function. So I try to fix the first 4 of them. Other settings also it's advisory to follow, but first let's see about this. View steps to fix. So it's probably with a licensing issue. You don't have all license, you need to Microsoft Manage Desktop. For more information, visit this page, right? So click on that. Microsoft 365 Enterprise licensing is required for Manage Desktop users. So one of these license I need for endpoint management is fully functional. For example, Office 365 E3 or E5. So how you get this license? Open new tab, visit portal.office.com. Click on admin, show all, billing, purchase service, type E5. Enter details. So you can start free trial of this license. You have to enter the phone number in order to get the license activation.